bed machining, from the spindle shaft grinding, from the two-disc turning, milling. All these are done in Yuzhong Smart workshops. Then they are assembled into Yuzhong LC machine basic structure. Yuzhong Smart innovated this movable column structure with our own intellectual property. This structure born with a pursuit of higher rigidity, a better accuracy, a longer lifespan, a lower cost of ownership. But only these are not enough. Inside the machine, from floor to wall, is fully protected by stainless steel. Even the chips will drop easily into conveyor on the stainless surface. In order to meet workshop needs, tailored modification applied on Yuzhong Smart machines. Integrated process reducing labor intensity, bringing more accuracy and efficiency, a higher return on investment for the owner. Yuzhong spares no expenses for our machine, from the spindle shaft to the linear guides, and even at the smallest unnoticeable corners. Starting from zero, the machine itself accompanied with its own traceable record, rotating balance, pitch error, accuracy, etc. All of these are tested, signed, recorded by our QC